Understanding mutual bond in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English easy and fun to learn. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, mutual bond. It's a phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even in books. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive right in. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, mutual and bond. The word mutual refers to something shared by two or more parties. It's about reciprocity or something being the same for everyone involved. On the other hand, bond is a connection or link between people, things, or ideas. This can be emotional, physical, or even conceptual. When we combine these words, we get a phrase that denotes a shared connection or relationship. Now, let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life situations. Friendship. We have a mutual bond of trust and respect in our friendship. Business partnerships. The two companies have a mutual bond based on shared goals and visions. Family. Despite their differences, there's a strong mutual bond of love and support among the family members. These examples show how a mutual bond can exist in different contexts, emphasizing a shared connection or relationship. To help you get more comfortable using this phrase, let's craft some sentences. 1. The mutual bond between the teacher and students made the learning experience more engaging. 2. Their mutual bond over a shared love for music led to a lifelong friendship. 3. In times of crisis, the mutual bond among community members becomes more visible and significant. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to various situations to express a shared emotional or functional connection. And that's a wrap on mutual bond. Remember, it's all about a connection or relationship shared between two or more parties. We hope this video helps you in understanding and using this phrase confidently in your daily English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting English lessons. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.